Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of heat transfer vinyl with the best of the best, the SISER EasyColor DTV 8.4 inches by 11 inches sheets. If you're looking to bring your DIY projects to life with full color, high-quality designs, this is the heat transfer vinyl you've been waiting for. SISER has been a leading name in the vinyl world, and their EasyColor DTV line takes things to the next level. Whether you're printing onto t-shirts, tote bags, or any other fabric, this product allows you to achieve professional results right from your home. Gone are the days of needing a high-end printer or professional equipment. This vinyl works seamlessly with most inkjet printers, which means you can print your designs on demand, saving time and money. With the SISER EasyColor DTV, all you have to do is print your design, weed the excess vinyl, and heat press it onto your desired surface. It's that simple. The matte white finish ensures that your colors pop, and the application process is smooth and straightforward. Plus, it's CPSIA certified, which means it's safe to use on children's clothing. Perfect for personalized gifts or small business ventures. What makes this vinyl stand out is its versatility. Whether you're making custom apparel for your brand, a creative project for a loved one, or simply personalizing your own wardrobe, this vinyl offers durability and vibrant color reproduction. Plus, it's designed to withstand multiple washes without losing its quality, so your designs stay crisp and fresh over time. This package comes with 10 sheets of 8.4 inches by 11 inches vinyl, providing you with ample material for a variety of projects. The simplicity of using an inkjet printer with the SISER EasyColor DTV makes it perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter. So if you're ready to unlock your creativity and create professional-looking designs without the professional price tag, the SISER EasyColor DTV is the heat transfer vinyl you need in your crafting toolkit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Happy crafting!